how to show up for yourself too. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Prioritize your well-being, your self-care, and your mental and physical and financial health. You should always be on a pedestal. Don't give anyone the privilege to make you feel bad about yourself or to affect your state of being in a negative way. Give yourself permission to rest, to take breaks, and to have downtime. Be compassionate towards yourself and your humanity. Accept yourself the way you are right now. And you can practice to be better. But first, you have to accept yourself the way you are right now. In this moment, trust that all is rigged in your favor, and you are exactly where you need to be. Focus on yourself. It's not your responsibility to meet anyone's expectation or to make anybody happy. Your responsibility is to make yourself happy. Be proud of yourself always. And always remember, you can control only yourself, not others. You can control only yourself, and each time you put anyone outside of yourself on a pedestal, you will quickly be reminded that others and their life are none of your business. Always remember that. Be unapologetic about what you want and who you are. Don't compromise, never, for less, and always keep your standards high, starting from yourself. And the way you show up in life, you can start from now. So, dear unique, always remember, you cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place. And always remember, there is only one you. Okay? So, be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. If you like my video, share, like, subscribe to my channel, write a comment for me. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Ashe. Amira Rani. Bye.